Hi friends, this is your English teacher Mr. L. Titus. Once again I welcome back to my YouTube channel Grammar Learning Studio. And in my previous videos I have taught you about how to combine two sentences using relative pronouns using who, which and that. And in today's video I am here to teach you how to combine two sentences using the relative pronoun whose and whom. As I had given you some tips, in order to combine two sentences using who, which and that. Same thing, I am going to give you some tips here. You may be seeing on the board. If you learn these tips, you can easily, without finding any difficulties, you can combine two sentences using relative pronoun whose and who. So my friend, these tips will help you how to combine the two sentences in an easy manner. Hope you will listen to me carefully and try to understand, right? If you listen carefully and watch the video from the beginning till end, you will be able to clear the concept of combining sentences using whose and whom. So, what is the first step, my friend? First step is find out the identical phrases or words in the sentence. You must read the given sentence. Two sentences will be given to you in the exam. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to identify two identical phrases. Two identical phrases. After that, what you have to do? After one identical phrase, put arrow mark. Two sentences will be given to you. After one identical word in the first sentence, you must put an arrow mark. And then what is next? If the other identical phrase is mine, our, your, his, their, its, Raju's, etc., what should you do? What do you have to do? Write whose in their place. What do you have to do? You should replace the word, like mine, our, your, his, their, its, and Raju's with the relative pronoun whose. And what is next, my friend? Bring whose plus noun structure to front of the sentence. Whatever the relative clause that you have formed by using the word whose, by replacing those possessives, my friend, remember here the word whose is used in possessive case, and the word whom is used in objective case. So let's come back, but you have to replace these possessive pronouns with the whose. And the clause that you have formed using the word whose, you have to bring it to the front of the sentence. And then finally what you have to do is, now place the entire sentence beginning with the whose plus noun at the arrow mark. So I am going to give you a few examples and make you clear. My friends, let's see what are the examples have I written here. Listen to me carefully, watch it attentively so that you may understand the concept of combining two sentences using relative pronouns whose and whom. So she is a great author, her books are bestsellers. So what are the two identical words here, my friends? She is a great author, her books are bestsellers. Let's identify two identical phrases. Two related. After identifying one identical phrase, we should put an arrow marker, and then in the second sentence, after finding out the identical word, let's replace it with the whose. Right? Then what is next? First two steps we have followed, and then the third third step also we have followed. We have put, we have replaced, okay, the possessive pronoun with the whose. And then what is next? Bring whose plus noun structure to front of the sentence. Right? So we'll write here. See whose books are bestsellers is a great author. Okay, this is the answer, my friend. C, whose books are bestsellers? Okay, is a great author. Okay, C is a great author. Okay, if you say C is a great author, okay, the listener may not be able to, okay, understand clearly, okay, who is she or who is that great author. So we need to give some essential information about C. C, whose books are bestseller, is a great author. Next, come to the second example. He is a talented artist. His paintings are highly valued. So, who is this talented artist? We don't know, right? We need to give some essential information by forming a relative clause using the word which. So, what is the first identical word here? He. So, we have put an arrow mark after it. And then, what is another identical word in the second sentence? His. Okay, his is one of the possessive, okay, pronoun. So, let's replace it using the word which. Sorry, whose. Right. So, now let's try to get the answer here. Okay. He, comma, whose paintings are, whose highly valued, comma, is a talented artist. Okay, did you get the answer, my friend? Okay, this is the way, by following the steps, we can easily combine two sentences using relative pronoun whose. Okay, still I just want to make you clear by giving a few more examples. Okay, right? Friends, hope the concept of combining two sentences using relative pronouns, okay, whose will be clear after these examples, right? She is a brilliant scientist. Her research has been widely published. She is a brilliant scientist. In this sentence, okay, here we are talking about, okay, she. So, after identifying the first identical word, we have put arrow mark after it. And then what is related to she is the word her. So, let us replace it using the relative pronoun whose, and then let's try to find the answer. She is a brilliant scientist. Okay, she, okay, whose research has been widely published, is a brilliant scientist. Right? This is the answer. And then the last and final example I am going to give you and clear the concept of combining two sentences using the relative pronoun is: he is a successful entrepreneur. His company has won several awards. Okay, his company. Here the word he is first identical word, and let's put it put arrow mark after it, and then let's replace the word his with the whose. Okay, he, comma, whose company has whose company has won awards, is a successful entrepreneur, is a successful entrepreneur. So my friend, with these examples, I hope the concept of combining sentences using the word whose is clear to you. And the next we will move into combining sentences using the word whom. Okay? Continue Gurju. Yes. Now we are going to learn how to combine sentences using the relative pronoun whom. Okay, same process my friend, no need to get confused, no need to worry. The same process we can follow and combine, okay, the sentences, two sentences using the word whom. Okay, look at the board and read the tips once again. Find the identical phrases or words in the sentence. After one identical phrase, put arrow mark as usual. Encircle the other identical phrase in second sentence and write whom if the identical phrase is me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Just like as we did in the last example while combining sentences using whose, we replaced the word possessive pronouns with whose, right? The same thing, okay, these are called objective pronouns, my friend. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are all objective pronouns. We should replace these objective pronouns with whom. And then what is next? Bring the word whom to the front of the second sentence. And then finally, we should place entire second sentence at the arrow mark. Let's see how to combine two sentences. The artist is known for his vibrant paintings. We met him, okay, at the gallery opening. Okay, what is the two identical word here, my friend? The first identical word is the artist. So we put an arrow mark after it. And in the second example, okay, in the second sentence, we met him. Okay, him is the objective pronoun. So we should replace it okay, using the word whom. Okay, the artist next, what should we do next? We have replaced, okay, the artist whom we met at the gallery opening, right? The artist whom we met at the gallery opening, comma, is known for his vibrant paintings. Okay, this is the way we can combine two sentences using the word whom. Right? And then next see, second sentence. The CEO is highly respected business leader. The CEO is a highly respected business leader. We heard him speak at the conference. So in the second sentence, the identical word is him. Let's replace it with whom. And then what is the first identical word here? The CEO. Okay, how can we combine it now? Okay, the CEO, we are talking about the CEO. The CEO, okay, whom, okay, we heard, whom we heard speak at the conference. Conference is highly respected business leader. Is highly respected business leader. Yes, my friend, this is the way we can combine two sentences using the relative pronoun whom. Okay, by replacing the objective pronoun with the word whom. Next, I am going to give you few more examples. Yes, let's see few more examples here. She is a great teacher. We learn a lot from her. Okay, what is the identical word here? She. Okay, and the next her. Replace it with the whom. Okay, she is a great teacher. Great teacher. Okay. Whom we learn a lot from. And the next is he. And here the identical word is him. Okay. He is a teacher. So he is talented musician whom we met at the concert. Okay, friend, the concept of combining two sentences using relative pronouns whose and whom are clear to you. Okay, so I kindly request you, please listen to the class attentively from the beginning till end. And if you don't understand, okay, you can go back to the video and you can play from the beginning again. You can listen, and this is the way you can make the concept of combining sentences using clear, my friends. So I hope in my previous video I taught you how to combine sentences using who, which and that, and in today's video I have taught you how to combine sentences using whose and who. So I think now the concept of combining sentences using relative pronouns who, which, that, whose and whom are clear to you. If you really like the video, okay, don't forget to like my video and share with your friends. And to get more videos in future, stay tuned with Grammar Learning Studio and see you in the next video. Bye bye.